next topic, theory of interference fringes or fringe width. Interference fringes or fringe width. We take a source S. Take a source S and a two slit arrangements a board on which a 2 mark is over there, which acts as an slit S1 and slit S2. We do this, we doesn't take the two sources because if we take the two sources, then interference does not occur because the sources does not behave as a coherent sources, which is the condition of the interference. This is the screen on which pattern formed. This is the condition on which pattern formed. Now this is an screen. This is the point where the central maxima formed due to S1 coherent source and S2 coherent source. We find at point P the maximum at a far distance is to be formed. The distance between the two slit is small d. So this distance is d by 2 and this distance is also d by 2. Now we assume that distance is y from central maxima O. We know that this is a screen. The distance between slit system and screen is capital D. This point we take A and this point we take B. D, distance between two slit, capital T, distance between slit and screen. Y is the distance up to which the image is formed from O. Y, distance from O, central maxima to P, where we assume max formed, maxima formed. In triangle PS2B, PS2 whole square by Pythagoras theorem, PS2 square is equal to S2B square plus BP square. PS2 square is equal to S2B square. We can write PP by diagram. BP by diagram BO plus OP whole square. This is the equation number 1. Or now we put the value, then PS2 square is equal to capital D square, BO is dy 2 and OP is y. OP is y whole square. Equation number 2. In triangle PS1A, in triangle PS1A, PS1 whole square is equal to S1A square plus AP square. But AP square is written as OP minus OA whole square. Equation number 3. Now we put the value, we get PS2 square is equal to D square plus OP y minus dy2 whole square. This is the equation number 4. Now we subtract equation 2 from 4 from 2 we get P S2 square minus PS1 square is equal to D square plus y plus dy2 का whole square minus D square minus y minus dy2 whole square. This D square is cancelled, so we got the term y plus dy2 का whole square minus y minus dy2 का whole square. By the mathematical formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b minus a minus b, we use that formula, then we get y plus y minus dy2, and then next another bracket y plus dy2 minus y plus dy2. This got 2y into 2 dy2 or 2y into d. This is PS2 square minus PS1 square, or this can be written as PS2 minus PS1 into PS2 plus PS1 is equal to 2yd, equation number 5. But S2P minus S1P is equal to X, known as path difference, equation number 3 equation number 6. By 5 and 6 we get X into S2P plus S1P is equal to 2y into D. If S1P is equal to S2P is equal to SO, because we assume the point P lies at O. We assume S1, S2 lies at S and P lies at O. Then this becomes capital D. So then X 2D is equal to 2y into D, and y is equal to xd upon d. For maxima, we know that x is equal to, you know it? X is equal to, we forget it. What is the x? X is equal to n d n lambda. X is equal to n lambda, where the value of n is 1, 2, 3, ... then y is equal to this below n d lambda upon d. This is the formula for maxima and fringe width for maxima for nth fringe, for nth fringe. But for minima, x is equal to 2n plus 1 lambda by 2. We put this value, then we get y is equal to 2n plus 1 d lambda upon 2d. This is the formula for nth minima or constructive interference. Here the value of n is 0, 1, 2, dot, dot, dot. If we put the 0, then we get d lambda upon 2d, 1, then we get 3d lambda d upon d. So this is the formula for fringe width.